Hello students, welcome to my class. So today I shall start a new chapter number 8, that is division. So first of all you have to know what does division means, or what is division. A very simple thing. Division means what? Division means repeated subtraction. Okay, so you look at the board, you will be able to understand it easily. So first of all, if you suppose there is a question, okay, so 15 divided by 5. So now what I am giving on the board, what I am writing on the board, you are not to write these things. Okay, simply you have to understand. First of all, you see 15 divided by 5. So easily we can do this one. Okay, so we have to go through multiplication table. What? 5. So 5 divided 5 multiplied by question mark equal to what? 15. So what we have to do? So you see here we have to go through multiplication table 5. So simply you have to write 5 multiplied by what? 3 equal to what? 15. So here what? The number we got is what? We have got is 3. So you have to write 3. Here we can see. So the number is what? The number is 15. That is what? 15 is the dividend. Okay. And the number by which we have to divide is the divisor. So this number is the divisor. So multiplication, so division means what? Repeated subtraction. So you have to subtract now. How is it? You look at the board. So 15 minus what? 5 equals to what? 10. So what we have got after subtracting 5 from 15? We have got what? 10. So again we have to subtract 5 from what? 10. So the result is what? 5. We have got what? After subtracting 5 from 10, we have got 5. So again we have to subtract 5 from 5. So now the result is what? 0. So this is what? This is repeated subtraction. Okay. So another one you see. So we have to subtract until unless we get 0. Okay. So that means what? We have subtracted what? 5 from 15 how many times? 3 times. So that is what called as repeated subtraction. Okay. Now let me solve another one. Suppose the question is what? 9 divided by 3. So easily we can get, if we divide 9 by 3, we'll get what? We'll get what? 3. So what we have to, first of all, so as division means what? Repeated subtraction. So that is why we have to understand what does repeated subtraction means. So here the digit is what? Here the dividend is what? 9 and the divisor is what? 3. So what we have to write here? First of all we have to write here 9. So we have to subtract 3 from 9. If we subtract 3 from 9, we'll get what? We'll get here 6. So again we have to subtract. So here we have to write 6. Again we have to subtract 3 from 6. So here what we'll get? After subtracting 3 from 6, we'll get what? 3. So again we have to subtract 3 from what? 3. We'll get what? 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So here the result is what? 0. That means 3. That means we can write 9 divided by 3 equals to what? 3. That means we can subtract 3 times. We can subtract 3 from 9 how many times? 3 times. So that is what called as repeated subtractions. So now moving towards the exercise. Okay. So first of all we are going to solve exercise 8a. Okay. So here fill in question number 1. So question number 1 is what? 8 divided by 2. So here this 8 is the dividend and this 2 is the divisor, and the result which we will get, that will be the quotient. Okay. So here we have to follow which table? Here we have to follow multiplication table 2. That means by this number we have to divide 8. That is why we have to follow 2 table. Okay. So here you see 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. 2 multiplied by 1 equals to what? 2. Then you see here 2 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 4. 2 multiplied by 3 equal to what? 6. 2 multiplied by 4 equals to what? 8. So 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. So here 2 also we have got here, 8 also we have got here. So what we have to do, we have to multiply 2 by 4 to get what? 8. So that is why we are going to write here what? 4. Okay. Now question number 2, that is what? 14 divided by what? 2. Here also we have to divide 14 by 2, so that is why we have to follow multiplication table 2. So if we go through multiplication table 2, we'll get what? 2 sevens are what? 2 sevens are 14. So here we have to write what? 7. So the next question you see, question number 3. So the question number 3 is 18 divided by 2. Here again we have to follow multiplication table 2. So if we go through multiplication table 2, easily we will get 2 nines are what? 2 nines are what? 18. Okay. So next question, we have to follow which table? Now we have to follow, so now we have to 9 divided by what? 3. 9 divided by 3. So here 9 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. The number which we will get after dividing by 9 by 3, that will be the what? Question. So we have to follow 3 multiplication table. 3 3s are what? 3 3s are 9. We have to write here 3. Next question number 5 you see. 15 divided by what? 3. So 15 divided by 3. If we go through multiplication table 3, we will get what? 3 5s are what? 3 5s are 15. So we are going to write here 5. So the next question is what? 21 divided by, again we have to divide 21 by which number? By 3. Here the dividend is 21 and the divisor is 3. So easily we will get, if we follow 3 multiplication table, 3 sevens are what? 3 sevens are 21. Next question number 7. 16 divided by what? 16 divided by 4. So here dividend is 16 and the divisor is 4. So if we follow 4 multiplication table, we will get what? 4 4s are what? 4 4s are 16. Now question number 8. Okay. 8 is what? 24 divided by 4. What we have to do? In this case, we have to divide 24 by 4. So easily you can do 4 6 are what? 4 6 are 24. So we are going to write here 4. Now question number what? Question number 9. That is what? 15 divided by 15 divided by what? 5. So here we are going to follow what? We are going to follow 5 multiplication table. So why? Because 15 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. So 5 3s are what? 5 3s are 15. Next question number 10. Question number 10 is what? 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5. Like earlier, 25 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. That means we are going to divide 25 by 5. So 5 5s are what? 5 5s are 25. So the next question you see, question number 11. That is 45 divided by 5. So here you see, this 45 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. So what does dividend means? The number which we are going to divide by another number, that is the what? Dividend, and the number by which we are going to divide is the divisor. And the result which we will get after dividing, after division is the question. Okay, so here we are going to follow which table? 5 multiplication table. So 5 9s are what? 5 9s are 45. Now question number what? 12. Question number 12 is what? 24 divided by what? 6. So here we have to follow which multiplication table? We have to follow which table? We have to follow 6 table. So if we go through 6 table, we will get 6 4s are what? 6 4s are 28. Let me erase this. The other most important thing which I would like to tell you is that you have to memorize multiplication table. So without multiplication table you cannot solve all this. Okay, now question number what? Question number 13. Okay, so the question number 13 is what? 36 divided by 6. So like earlier here, 36 is the dividend and 6 is the what? 6 is the divisor. So we are going to divide 36 by what? 6. So if we divide 36 by 6, we'll get what? 6. 6 there what? 36. So here we are going to write what? 6. Now question number what? Question number 14. Question number 14 is what? 42 divided by 6. So here we are going to divide what? 42 by which number? By 6. Okay, so if we follow 6 multiplication table, we will get what? 6 sevens are what? 42. So here we are going to write 7. Now question number 15. Okay, now question number 15 is what? 42 divided by what? 7. Okay, question number 15 is 42 divided by 7. So we have to divide this number. This 42 is called as the dividend and this 7 is the divisor. The number which are going to find, which are going to write here is the quotient. Okay, so here we have to follow 7 table. Okay, table 7. So 7 6 there what? 42. Now question number what? 16. Now question number 16. Question number 16 is what? 35 divided by 7. So what we have to do here? We have to divide 35 by which number? 35 by 7. So if we follow 7 table, we will get what? 7 5s are what? 35. Okay. Now question number what? 17. Question number 17 is what? 32 divided by 8. So here we have to follow 8 table. So if we go through 8 table, we will get what? 8 4s are, we will get what? 4. So 8 4s are 32. Next question number 18. So what is question number 18? So question number 18 is what? 48 divided by 8. Here we have to follow which table? Here we have to follow 8 multiplication table. So 8 6 are what? 48. Now question number 19. Okay, question number 19 is 64 divided by 8. Question number 19 is what? 64 divided by 8. So here what we have to do? We have to follow which table? We have to follow 8 multiplication table. So if we go through 8 table, we will get 8 multiplied by 8 equals to what? 64. That means we are going to write here 8. Now question number what? Now question number 20. So what is question number 20? 20 is 72 divided by 8. So if we divide 72 by 8, we will get 8 9s are what? 8 9s are 72. Now question number 21. Okay, so question number 21 is 36 divided by what? 9. So here we have to follow which multiplication table? Here we have to follow 9 table. So if we go through 9 table, we will get 9 multiplied by what? 4 equals to what? 36. That means here we have to write 4. Okay, now question number what? 22. So question number 22 is 54. Okay, divided by 9. So again here we have to follow 9 multiplication table. So if we go through 9 table, we will get 9, you see here, multiplied by question mark dash equal to what? 54. So 9 multiplied by what equal to 54? So we'll get what? We'll get here what? Instead of question mark, we'll get here 6. We'll get here 6. So this 6 we have to write here. Now you see question number 23. Question number 23. So question number 23 is what? 63 divided by what? Divided by 9. So again we have to follow which multiplication table? 9 table. So easily we will get 9 sevens are what? 9 sevens are 63. Now question number 24. Okay. Now question number 24 is 72 divided by 9. So here we have to follow which table? 9 multiplication table. So 9, if we divide 72 by 9, or if we go to the 9 table, we'll get 9 8s are what? 72. So let me wrap these things. Now question number what? 25. So question number 25 is what? 70 divided by what? 7. So here 70 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor. The result which will get after dividing is called as quotient. Okay. So what do you have to do? We have to divide. If we divide 70 by 7, we'll get what? We'll get 10. So now next is question number 26. So question number 26 is what? 50 divided by 5. So if we divide 50 by 5, or if we go through a multiplication table 5, that means we'll get what? 10. 5 tens are what? 50. That means the answer is 10. Next question number what? Question is question number 27. So question number 27 is what? 22 divided by 11. So here we have to follow which multiplication table? We have to follow 11 multiplication table. That means if we follow this one, this 11 multiplication table, will get the result. Okay. So after following this table, we will get what? 11 twos are what? 11 twos are 22. Next question number 28. Now question number 28 is what? 24 divided by 12. So here what we have to do? We have to divide 24 by which number? We have to divide 24 by 12. So if we divide 24 by 12, we will get what? We will get 2 as the answer. So 12 twos are what? 24. The next one is what? 29. So now question number 29 is what? 36 divided by 12. So here what we have to do? We have to divide 36 by which number? By 12. So if we go through 12 table, we will get what? 3 as the answer. So 12 threes are what? 36. So here we have to write 3. So the next question you see, question number 30. So question number 30 is what? 60 divided by what? 5. Question number 30 is what? 60. Question number 30 is what? 60 divided by what? 12. So here what we have to do? We have to go through 12 multiplication table. So if we go through 12 multiplication table, we will get what? 12 into 12 multiplied by 5 equals to what? 60. So that is why I am going to write here 5. Now the next question is what? 31. The next question is 31. So the question number 31 is 26 divided by what? 13. Now we have to follow which multiplication table? Multiplication table 13. So if we go through this table, we will get what? 13 twos are what? 13 twos are 26. So that means here we are going to write what? 2. The next one is question number 32. The next one is question number 32. Question number 32 is what? 52 divided by again 13. So here we have to follow 13. Okay, 13 tables. So 13 fours are what? 13 multiplied by 4 equals to 52. That is why we are going to write here 4. Okay, the next one is 33. The next question is 33. The question number 33 is 56. 56 divided by what? 1 4, that is 14. So here we have to divide 56 by 14. So if we divide 56 by 14, we'll get what? We'll get 4. We'll get what? 4. The next question is what? The next question is 34. Okay. So question number 34 is what? 28 divided by 14. So here we are going to divide 28 by which number? 28 by 14. So if we divide 28 by 14, we'll get what? We'll get 2. That means 14 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 28. Now question number 35. 60 divided by 1 5. So what we have to do? We have to divide 60 by which number? 15. So if we divide 60 by 15, we'll get what? 15. If we go through the 15 table, we'll get what? We'll get 4. So 15 into 4 equals to 60. So here we are going to write what? 4. The next question is what? 36. So question number 36 is what? 4 5. Okay, 45 divided by 15. So here again we have to follow 15 table. So if we divide 45 by 15, we'll get what? We'll get 3. Okay. So let me wrap this thing. Fill in. Okay. Question number 1. So question number 1 is 5 divided by 1. So here which table we have to follow? We have to follow 1. Here you see 1 multiplied by 1 equals to what? 1. 1 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 2. 1 multiplied by 3 equals to what? 3. 1 multiplied by 4 equals to what? 4. So what we have to write? We have to write there what? We have to write here 5. So if we divide 5 by 1, we'll get what? We'll get 5. Okay. So next question you see 1, then what? 2, that is 0 divided by 9. So here which table we have to follow? We have to follow 9 table. Okay. So if we divide 0 by 9, what will get? 9 multiplied by what? See, 9 multiplied by 0 equal to what? 0. 9 multiplied by 1 equals to what? 9. So what we have to write here? We have to write there what? 0. Okay. Next question you see. Question number 3. 7 divided by 7. Here this is the dividend, this is the divisor, and whatever we will get, what we will get after dividing these two number will be the question. Okay, so here both the dividend and the divisor are equal. So that is why whatever we will get, if we divide 7 by 7, that means 7 ones are what? 7. We will get here what? We will get here 1. Okay. Next question you see. Question number 4, that is 14 divided by 14. Here also both the dividend and the divisor are equal, so that is why the result which we will get after dividing these two number will be what? Will be 1. 14 ones are what? 14. So the next one you see 25 divided by 25. Here also both the dividend and the divisor are equal. That is why 25 ones are what? 25. So we'll get here what? We'll get here 1. Okay. So the next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is what? 0 divided by 20. So if we divide 0 by 20, we'll get what? We'll get 0. Now question number 7, that is 99 divided by 1. If we divide 99 by 1, we'll get what? We'll get 99. The next question is what? 56 divided by what? 56. Here also dividend and the divisor both are equal. So that is why we will get 1 after dividing these two numbers. Okay. So 56 divided by 56 equals to what? Equals to 1. So the next question is what? 9. Question number 9 is 18 divided by 1. If we divide 18 by 1, we'll get again what? 18. The next question is question number 10, that is 0 divided by 32. If we divide 0 by 32, we'll get what? We'll get 0. So here this exercise is over. So now we have to start another exercise, that is 8b. In this chapter, in this exercise, we'll solve long divisions. Okay. In this chapter, we'll solve what? In this chapter, I'll solve long divisions. So the new exercise, the new exercise which I'm going to start right now is exercise 8b. Okay. So in this chapter, I shall solve long division for you. So before starting the chapter, I would like to introduce you about the terms and words which are related to the chapter. Okay. Here you see. Suppose so the number. Okay. The number. So the long. So this is called as what? So how we can solve the long division? By seeing this, we can understand easily. Okay. So here you see the number which we are going to write here, which we are going to put here, is called as the dividend. So dividend is the number which we are going to divide. Okay. So the number which we are going to put here is the divisor. The number by which we are going to divide is the divisor. Okay. The number which we will get after dividing is called as the what? Is called as the quotient. Okay. And the last one is what? The last one is what? Remainder. Okay. The last one is what? Remainder. So what does remainder means? Remainder means what? What's left over in a division problem. Okay. Suppose 5 divided by 2. If we divide 5 by 2, we'll get 2 as the quotient and 9 as the remainder. So as we know all that, division means what? Repeated subtraction. That is why while dividing, we have to what? We have to subtract also. Okay. So after subtracting, the number which remain, which left or which remain is called as the remainder. Okay. let's start the exercise. Okay, so the first question is divide and check the divide and check the answer. Okay, so question number A. (24) divided by what? 2. So in case of addition, we start from the ones place, or you can say we start from the usually start from the right side. In case of addition, subtraction, multiplication, we start from the ones place, or you can say that we start from the ones place, or we start from the right side. Okay, but in case of division, we'll start from the left side. Which side? We start from the left side. That means if the number is if the dividend is a one digit number, we'll start from the ones place. If the if the dividend is a two digit number, we'll start from the tens place, or if the dividend is a three digit number, we'll start from the hundred place. That means in division we have to start from the left side. Okay, so the first question is what? 24 divided by what? 2. Here in tens place 2 is there. 2 here, 2 is in which place? Tens place, and 4 is in ones place. So at first we have to check. We have to check the dividend and the divisor. So to divide, what we have to do? The dividend must be greater than the divisor. Understood what I said? To divide a particular number, the dividend to divide the dividend must be, in case of division, the dividend must be greater than the divisor. If it is not, then what we have to do? We have to combine two places, ones and tens place. That means by any means the dividend must be greater than the divisor. Okay, so here you see 2, sorry, let me write here, 2 multiplied by 1 equals to what? 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 4. 2 multiplied by 3 equals to what? 6. 2 multiplied by 4 equals to what? 8. 2 multiplied by 5 equals to what? 10. So here you see 2 and 2. So both the number, sorry, here you can see dividend equal to what? Divisor. That means what? This is the what? This number is the dividend, this number is the divisor. Both the numbers are equal, that means we can divide. Okay, so easily you can see here. That means first of all we are not going to divide 2 and 4. We are not going to divide 24 at a time. At first we have to split this into two parts. That means we will get here. First of all we have to divide 2, then 4. Okay, so 2 multiplied by what? 1 equals to what? 2. That means we are going to write here what? 2. 2 multiplied 2, sorry, 2 ones are what? 2. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract. Now we have to what? We have to subtract. So if we subtract 2 from 2, we will get what? 0. That means here we are done with the first step. So now what we have to do? Now we have to copy. Now we have to what? We have to bring down the dividend here. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to divide the dividend. That is, we have to divide this 4 by which number? By the divisor. That is what? 2. That is 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 4. So here we are going to write what? 2. So 2 2s are what? 4. Now again you see 4 minus 4 equals to what? What? 0. Okay. So now as the remainder is what? 0. That is why no need to write down the remainder. Simply write down the quotient and divisor. Quotient equal to what? 12. Divisor equals to what? So no need to write down the quotient. Simply write down the what? Quotient. Quotient equal to what? 12. Okay. So now you write. Now we have to what? We have to check the answer whether the answer 12 that is correct or which is correct or not. How will you check? So dividend equal to quotient into divisor. To check the answer is correct, to check whether the answer is correct or not, we have to apply this formula, that is dividend equal to quotient into what? Into divisor. Here you see the quotient is what? The quotient is what? 12. So in place of quotient we have to write down what? 12. Now which number is the divisor? That is what? 2. So in place of divisor we have to write what? 2. So if we multiply 12 by 2, 12 to the what? 12 to the 24, which is equal to the dividend. So the answer is what? The answer is what? Correct. Okay. Now question number B, that is 69 divided by 3. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to check whether the divisor is greater than the whether the dividend is greater than the divisor or not. Here you see 6 is greater than 3. That means we can divide this number by what? We can divide 6 tens by the divisor, that is what? 3. So here the divisor is 3, that is why we have to follow 3 table. Okay, so if we follow 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are what? 3 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 6. So we are going to write here what? 3 twos are what? 6. So now we are going to do what? Subtract. So 6 minus 6 equal to what? So here we are done with the first step. Okay, so now bring down 9 ones. Why 9 ones? Because this 9 is in the ones place and this 6 is in the tens place. So now again we can see here 9 is greater than 3. So 9 is greater than 3. That means now also we can divide the number by what? 3. So we have to divide by which number? 3. That is why we have to follow 3 table. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 3 threes are 9. We are going to write here 3. Again we have to subtract. So 9 minus 9 equals to what? 0. So the question is what? Is remainder is 0, that is why no need to write. Now we have to find out whether the answer is correct or not. So by applying the formula, dividend equal to what? Quotient into divisor. So which number is the quotient here? That is, the number is, in place of quotient we are going to write 23, multiplication sign. So now which number is the divisor here? In place of, here 3 is the divisor. So in place of divisor we have to write what? 3. So now if we multiply this two number 23 multiplied by 3. So first of all we multiply 3 into 3. 3 threes are what? 9 we have to write here 9. The next we have to multiply 3 and 2. 3 to the 69. Therefore the answer is correct, as the dividend is 69 after dividing the quotient and divisor. Okay. Now question number C. Now question number C. So question number C is what? 84 divided by 4. Easily you can say here 8 is greater than 4. That means the dividend is greater than 4. That means we can divide. So here the divisor is 4. That means we have to follow 4 table. So 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are what? 8. We have to write here 2. 4 twos are what? 8. Now we have to what? Subtract. 8 minus, why subtract? At the very beginning of this chapter we have learned that division means repeated subtraction. So that is why we have to what? Subtract. So 8 minus 8 equals to what? 0. We have to what? Bring down 4 tens here. So what we have to do? Again we have to check whether the dividend is greater or equals to the divisor or not. 4 equals to 4. Here the dividend and divisor both are equal, same. So what we have to do? If we go through the multiplication table, 4 ones are what? 4 ones are what? 4 ones are 4. Again 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Here you see the dividend, sorry. So here the question is what? 21. Remainder is what? 0. That is why no need to write it. So using the previous formula we have to check the answer is correct or not. Dividend equal to quotient into divisor. Here the quotient is what? 21. So in place of quotient we have to write 21. Next give multiplication sign. Now what is there? Divisor. Here the divisor is what? 4. So in place of divisor we have to write what? 4. Now after now what we have to do? We have to multiply 21 and 4. So after multiplying the quotient and divisor, if the result is 84 which is equal to the dividend, then the answer is correct. What we have to do? 21 multiplied by what? 4. So 4 ones are what? 4. 4 twos are 8. That is 84. Yes, the answer is what? 84. That is dividend is 84. And here here the dividend and the result of the multiplication of quotient into divisor is equal to 84. That is why the answer is correct. Now question number D. So question number D is what? 55 divided by 5. So here we are going to divide 55 by 5. Here the dividend and the divisor both are equal. Okay. So first of all we have to divide 5 tens by 5. So if we divide 5 tens by 5, why tens? Because this digit is in the tens place, that is why 5 tens, and this digit is in the ones place, that is why 5 ones. So we have to follow which table? We have to follow 5 tables. So 5 ones are what? 5. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract. So 5 minus 5 equals to what? 0. So here we are done with the first step. Now what we have to do? We have to bring down 5 ones. We have to bring down 5 ones. Now again the dividend and the divisor both are equal. So what we have to do? Again we have to write here what? 1. 5 ones are what? 5. Now again we have to subtract 5 minus 5 equals to 0. The quotient, the remainder is 0. That is why no need to write down the remainder. Simply you can write here the quotient. Here the quotient is what? 11. So like earlier we have to check whether the answer is correct or not. So to check what we have to do, we have to use this formula. So here which number is the quotient? 11. So in place of quotient we are going to write 11. Now which number is the divisor? 5. So in place of divisor we are going to write what? 5. So now what we have to do? We have to multiply the quotient and divisor, and we have to see whether the result of multiplication is equal to the dividend or not. So if we multiply 5 and 11, we'll get what? 55, which is equal to the dividend. That means the answer is correct. Okay. Now question number E. So question number E is 4, 6, that is 46 divided by 2. Here 4 is in the tens place, 6 is in the ones place. Here 4 is greater than what? 2. Yes or not? 4 is greater than 2. That means we can divide 4 by 2. So what we have to do? We have to go through multiplication table 2. So we all know that 2 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 4. 4. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract 4 minus 4 equal to 0. We are done with the first step. Now bring down 6 ones. Bring down 6 ones. So that means I am going to write here 6. Okay. So now we have to check again whether the dividend is greater than the divisor or not. Yes, the dividend is greater than the divisor. So what we have to do? We have to follow which multiplication table? 2. So 2 3s are what? 6. Again we have to subtract 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Here the remainder is what? 0. So no need to write this one. Simply you write QUOTIENT. Quotient equals to what? 23. Now like earlier again we have to check whether the answer is correct or not. Dividend equals to quotient into divisor. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to put 23 in place of quotient. Then multiplication sign we have to put 2 in place of divisor. Now after multiplying these two, 23 multiplied by 2 equals to what? Equals to 46, which is equal to the dividend. So the answer is what? Correct. Question number F. So what is question number F? Question number F is 48 divided by 2. Here 4 is greater than 2. 4 is dividend is greater than the divisor. That means we can divide 2 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 4. Now we have to subtract 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Here the first step is over. Now we have to bring down 8 ones here. Okay. So here again we can see 8 is greater than 2. That means we can divide 8 by 2. So 2 4s are what? 8. Again we have to subtract. After subtracting, the result is 0. So now like earlier, remainder is 0. That is why we need to write down the quotient only. Quotient is what? 24. Okay. Now we have to check whether the answer is correct or not. Dividend equal to quotient into divisor. So in place of quotient we are going to write what? 24. In place of divisor we are going to write 2. So if we multiply this two number, 24 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 48 and is equal to the dividend, so the answer is correct. Now question number G. Okay, 39 multiplied by 3. So here 3 equals to 3. The dividend and the divisor both are equal. So that is why we can divide. 3 ones are what? 3. After subtracting we will get here 0. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. The first step is over. We have to bring down 9 here. Okay, 9 ones. So now again 9 is greater than 3. Okay, that means we can divide. We have to follow 3 table. 3 threes are what? 9. 9 minus 9 equal to what? 0. Now the quotient is 13. So we have to write to check. Now what we have to do? We have to check the answer is correct or not. So dividend equal to quotient into divisor. Here the quotient is 13 and the divisor is 3. So 13 multiplied by 3 equal to what? 39. Now question number H. Question number H is 48 divided by 4. Here the dividend and the divisor both are equal. That means we can divide easily. So 4 multiplied by 1 equals to what? 4. After subtracting the tens place we will get 0. Now bring down 8 ones. So here we can see 8 is greater than what? 4. That means here also we can divide. We have to follow 4 multiplication table. So 4 twos are what? 8. Again we have to subtract. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. The remainder is what? 0. So no need to write. What we have to write is quotient. So here the quotient is what? 12. Okay, so now we have to check whether the answer is correct or not. So by using this formula, dividend equal to QU. Which number is the quotient here? In place of quotient we are going to write 12. In place of divisor we are going to write what? We are going to write. So 4, we are going to write 4. So 4 multiplied by 12 equal to 48. So the answer is what? Correct. Now so this question is question number 1 is over. Okay. Now question number 2. Okay. Question number 2 is again divide and check the answer. Question number A. here you will find some changes. So you have to arrange and divide. Okay, the question is what? 26 divided by what? 2. Now we have to arrange. So here this number. Then which number we are going to divide here? We are going to divide here 26. By which number? By 2. That is why this number 26 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. Okay. So we have to, first of all, we have to arrange these two number in the form of division. Then we have to divide. Okay. So here we are going to write 26 divided by which number? By 2. So the dividend and the divisor 2 equals to 2, both are same, that means we can divide. 2 ones are what? 2. So we have to subtract now. 2 minus 2 equals to what? 0. Bring down 6 ones here. So here you see 6 and 2. So 6 is greater than 2. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. Again you see 6 minus 6 equals to what? 0. Here also the remainder is 0. Don't write it. Write down the question. Now we have to check whether the answer is correct or not. So by applying the previous formula, dividend equal to quotient into divisor. Here the quotient is 13 and the divisor is 2. So after multiplying 13 by 2 we will get what? After multiplying 13 and 2 will get what? 13 to the what? 26, which is equal to the dividend. So that is why the answer is correct. Okay. Now question number B. So what is question number B? Question number B is 36 divided by what? By 13. So we have to, first of all, we have to arrange and add, like earlier here, this 36 is the dividend and this 13 is the divisor. Okay. So 36 divided by what? Divided by 3. So here in place of divisor we have to write 3. We have to see 3 and 3. Both the dividend and the divisor are equal. So 3 ones are what? 3. So 3 minus 3 equal to what? 0. Bring down 6 ones here. So here the digit 6 is greater than 3. That means we can divide. Okay. So 3 twos are what? 6. Again we have to subtract. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Here remainder is 0. Don't write down the question. Here the question is what? 12. Now you have to check whether the answer is correct or not. Okay. To check, what we have to do? We have to use this formula. Dividend. So here the quotient is 12 and the divisor is 3. So after multiplying these two numbers we will get 12. These are what? 36, which is equal to the dividend. So the answer is correct. Now let's move towards the next question. That is question number C. So what is question number C? Question number C is 86 divided by what? By 2. Okay. So here 86 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. So here 8 is greater than 2. That means we can divide. Okay. We have to follow two table. Okay. Two multiplication tables. So 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. Bring down 6 ones. Here 6 is greater than 2. So 2 3s are what? 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. The quotient is 40. Quotient is what? 43. And while writing, you must be careful. So that that means you have to put one number exactly down to another number. That means once the digit which is there in the ones place means you have to means the number which is there in the ones place it should be here on the ones place, which is here on the tens place. It should be here on the tenth place. That means one number does ones place doesn't go to the tens place, and tens place doesn't come to the ones place. You have to be careful about that. Okay, otherwise the whole question, the whole sum will become what? Wrong. So now to find the answer is what? Correct or not? Dividend equal to what? Quotient into what? Divisor. So here the quotient is 43 and the divisor is 2. So 43, if we multiply 43 by 2, we'll get what? 86. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So the answer is what? Correct. Now question number D. So what is question number D? Question number D is 7. That means 77 divided by 7. Here you see in both the cases, in ones place and tens place, the dividend and the divisor are what? Are equal. So here you see 7 ones are what? 7. 7 minus 7 equals to what? 0. Bring down 7 ones. 7 ones are what? 7. 7 minus 7 equals to what? 0. Write down the question as the remainder is 0. Question equal to what? 11. So if the remainder is 1, 2 or 3 greater than 0, then you are to write. Okay. So dividend. Now you have to check the answer is correct or not. Dividend equal to quotient into what? Divisor. Okay. So now here the quotient is 11 and the divisor is what? 7. So 7 multiplied by 11 equals to what? 77. That means the answer is correct. Okay. Now again you see divide and check the answer. Okay. Here the first question is what? A, that is 82 divided by 2. So first of all, to divide, what we have to do? We have to arrange the dividend and the divisor. Okay. So 82 divided by what? 2. Here we can see 8 is greater than 2. That means we can divide it. So if we go through 2 multiplication table, we'll get what? 4. So 2 4s are what? 2 4s are 8. So 8 minus 8 equals to what? 8 minus 8 equals to what? 0. We have to bring down 2 ones. We have to bring down 2 ones. Now we can see here 2 and 2. Both the dividend and the divisor are what? Are equal. So we can say 2 ones are what? 2 ones are 2. So 2 minus 2. Again we have to subtract equal to 0. You can write what? Here the question is what? Question is 41. So we have to check again. We have to check whether the answer is correct or not. So what to check? What we have to do? Dividend equal to what? Quotient into what? Divisor. Here you can see the quotient is what? 41 and the divisor is what? Divisor is what? 2. So 41 2s are what? 82. So here the answer is correct. Okay. So the next question is what? 96 divided by what? Divided by 3. Here you see 9 is what? Greater than 3. That means we can divide. Okay. So we have to follow which multiplication table? Multiplication table what? 3. So 3 3s are what? 9. 9 minus 9 equals to what? 0. Now we have to bring down what? 6 ones. So again we can see that the 6 is what? Greater than the divisor, that is 3. So 3 2s are what? 6. So 6 minus 6 equals to what? Is what? 0. Now here the question is what? 32 and remainder is what? 0. If you want to write, you can write. Okay. But here next what we have to do? We have to check whether the answer is correct or not. So dividend equal to quotient into what? Divisor. So in place of quotient we are going to write what? 32 and in place of remainder, sorry, in place of divisor we are going to write what? 3. So if we multiply 32 by 3 we will get what? 96. Next question is what? Question number C. That is 88 divided by 8. So to divide 88 by 8, first of all we have to arrange in the form of what? Division. Okay. 8 divided by 8. Here you can see that both the dividend and both the ones place and the tens place are equal to the divisor. That means we can divide. Okay. So 8 ones are what? 8. 8 minus 8 equals to what? 0. Bring down 8 ones. Okay. So again 8 ones are what? 8. So again 8 minus 8 equals to what? 0. Here the question is what? 11. Now we have to check whether the answer is correct or not. To check what we have to do, we have to follow this one. What is the question? The question is what? 11. The divisor is what? 8. So after multiplying these two, if the result is equal to the quotient equal to the dividend, then the answer is correct. So 11 8s are what? 88. So here the answer is what? Correct. Now the next question, that is question number D. Question number D is what? 93 divided by 3. So now we have to check whether the tens place and the ones place are equal to the divisor or not. Here we can see 9 is what? Greater than 3. That means we can divide. Okay. So 3 3s are what? 9. 9 minus 9 equals to what? 0. You bring down 3 ones. Okay. So now you can see here, we can see that 3 equals to 3. Both the dividend and the divisor are equal. So 3 ones are what? 3. Again 3 minus 3 equal to what? 3 minus 3 equal to what? 0. Now we can see that the question is what? 31. Here we can see the question is what? The question is 31. Now we have to check whether the answer is correct or not. Question is what? 31. Divisor is what? 3. If we multiply 31 and 3, suppose what? 31 multiplied by what? 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So the answer is 93. So the result of quotient into divisor is 93, which is equal to the dividend. That means the answer is correct. Now I am going to, here this exercise is finished. I am going to start a new exercise, that is exercise 8C, which also belongs to division. Okay, so now we are going to start a new exercise, that is exercise 8C. So here everything we are going to do here is same like earlier, but earlier what we have done, we have divided a number. Along with this we have checked the answer, that means check the question, check the answer. Okay, we have checked the answer, but in this case what we have to do, only we have to divide, we have to write down the question and we have to write down the remainder. Okay, so the first question is, so divide. Okay, so question number 1A. Question number 1A is what? 4, 8, 4. Divided by what? Divided by 2. Here we can see. So here what? 3. It's a what? It's a 3-digit number. That is what? 4 is there in the 4 is here in which place? 100 place. 8 is in tens place. 4 is in ones place. As I told you earlier that in case of division, always we have to start from the left side, whether it is 3-digit number, 4-digit number, or 5-digit number, or 1-digit number. Okay, so if it is 1-digit number, we start from the ones place. If it is 2-digit number, we will start from the tens place. If it is 3-digit number, we will start from the 100 place. Okay, so here we can see that 4 is greater than what? 2. That means what? The dividend is greater than 2. That is we can what? We can divide this number, okay, easily. So 2 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 4. We have to what? Subtract. So 4 minus 4 equals to 0, which is known to us. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to bring down 8 tens here. Now what we have to check with, we have to check whether the number is dividend is greater than the divisor or not. So here the next number is what? 8 tens. So 8 tens is greater than 2. So we have to follow again 2 multiplication table. So what we have to do, here you can see 3 numbers are there. We have to divide this 3 number by this 2. That means in each and every cases what we have to do, we have to divide by which number? By 2. Okay, we have to follow 2 multiplication table to divide these 3 numbers. So here you can see the next number, that is 8 tens. 8 tens is greater than 2. So now 2 fours are what? 8. Now again we have to subtract. 8 minus 8 equal to what? 0. Now we are done with the second step. Now the last digit remain, that is 4. While bringing down the digit, make sure that the digit must be there on its place. That means ones place must be here on the ones place, tens place must be here on the tens place, and hundred must be here on the hundred place. So next you see, bring down 4 ones. Here we can see again 4 is greater than what? 2. So 2 twos are what? 2 twos are what? 4. Now see, 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Okay, 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Now here the question is what? 2, 4, 2, and the remainder is what? And the remainder is 0. So you can write 4, 8, 4 divided by what? 2 equals to what? 2, 4, 2. Finished. So the next question is, see, 1b. Six, 9, 3 divided by 3. Here we can see that 6 is greater than 3. So 3 twos are what? We have to multiply. We have to follow 3 table. 3 twos are what? 6. Now we have to what? Subtract. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Bring down 9 tens. Okay, here 9. So here we can see 9 is again greater than what? 3. So 3 threes are what? 9. Again we have to subtract. 9 minus 9 equals to what? 0. So here we are done with the second step. Now the last digit remain, which is what? 3. We have to write 3 here. 3 and 3. Dividend and divisor both are equal. So 3 ones are what? 3. 3 minus 3 equals to what? 0. Okay. The quotient is 2, 3, 1 and the remainder is 0. So we can write here 6, 9, 3 divided by 3 equal to 2, 3, 1. Now question number C. That means question number 1 C. 4, 4, 8 divided by what? 4, 4, 8 divided by what? 4. Here you can see the dividend and the divisor both are equal in case of 100 place and in case of 10 place. So 4 ones are what? 4. 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Bring down 4 tens. So again 4 ones are what? 4. Again subtract. 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Bring down 8 ones. So now you can see 8 is greater than what? 4. Okay. So 4 twos are 8. So 8 minus 8 equals to what? 0. So if we want to write quotient and remainder, we can write the quotient will be 1, 1, 2 and the remainder will be 0. Okay. So we can write like this also, 4, 4, 8. We have divided by which number? By 4. So after dividing, what we have got? 1, 1, 2. Okay. Now question number 4. So what is question number 4? That is D is 804 divided by what? Divided by 2. Here we can see 8 greater than 2, 0 less than 2, 4 greater than what? 2. Now you can see here, that means what? 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. Bring down 0 once. That means now we have to divide 2, sorry, we have to multiply 2 with a number so that the result is 0. So 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. 2 into 1 equals to what? 2. So that means we are going to write here 0. 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. Now next, if we subtract 0 from 0, we are going to get 0. Bring down 4 ones. 4 is greater than what? 2. So 2 2s are what? 4. Again 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. So what we have got after dividing 804 by 2? So we can write 804 divided by what? Which number we have, by which number we have divided 804? We have divided 804 by what? 2. So the answer for this question is what? 402. Now question number E. Question number E is 306 divided by which number? 3. Here 3 is the divisor and 306 is the dividend. Okay. So 3 equals to 3, 0 less than 3, 6 greater than 3. Okay. So first of all, 3 ones are what? 3. 3 minus 3 equals to what? 0. Bring down 0 tens. So now we have to multiply 3 with a number so that the result is 0. 3 multiplied by what? 0 equals to what? 0. So now we are going to write here 0. Again, if we subtract 0 from 0, we will get what? 0. Now bring down 6 ones. Now as 6 is greater than 3, so we have to follow 3 table. 3 2s are what? 6. Now 6 minus 6 equal to what? 0. Now what to write? Dividend divided by divisor equals to 102. Therefore, the dividend is what? 306. By which number we have divided? We have divided by what? Divisor, that is 3. So after dividing 306 by 3, we have got 102. So 102 is the answer for this question. So the next question is what? F. 690 divided by what? Divided by 3. The next question is what? 690 divided by what? Divided by 3. So here you see 6 is greater than 3. Again 9 is greater than 3. But 0 is less than 3. So 3 2s are what? 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Bring down 9 tens. 3 3s are 9. Again 9 minus 9 equals to what? 0. Bring down 0 ones. So 3 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. 0 minus 0 equals to what? 0. Now the answer is what? 2 3 0. So we can write 6 dividend. 690 is the dividend, which is divided by 3 to get 2 3 0. Now question number G. 440 divided by 4. So here you can see tens and hundred plates are equal to the divisor. So 4 ones are what? 4. 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Bring down 4 tens. Okay. Bring down 4 tens. So again 4 ones are what? 4. Again after subtracting 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Bring down 0 ones. So 4 into 0 equals to what? 0. So 0 minus 0 equals to 0. So we can write here, therefore dividend divided by divisor equals to 1 1 0. So the next question is what? $800 divided by what? 4. First of all, we can see which digit 8 in 100 place. 8 is here in 100 place, which is greater than 4. So 4 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 8. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. Bring down 0 tens. 4 into 0 equals to what? 0. Again subtract 0 minus 0 equals to what? 0. Again bring down 0 ones. Again 4 into 0 equals to what? 0. So 0 minus 0 equals to what? 0. Now we can write the dividend. So here which one is the dividend? 800. Okay. We can write therefore 800 divided by the divisor. So which number is the divisor here? 4 equals to what? 200. So the answer for this question is what? 200. Now question number 2a. Question number 2a is 5 5 5 divided by 5. Okay. So here you see so here in 100 place the digit is 5. The dividend and the divisor both are equal. So you can write here 1. 5 ones are what? 5. 5 minus 5 equals to what? 0. So bring down 5 tens. Again 5 ones are what? 5. 5 minus 5 equals to what? 0. Now again bring down 5 ones. So again 5 ones are what? 5. So 5 minus 5 equals to what? 0. Okay. So we can write here, therefore dividend is 5 5 5. Okay. which is divided by what? 5 equals to get 1 1 1. So the answer for this question is 1 1 1. Now question number B. 2 4 6 divided by 2. To divide, at first we have to what? Arrange. 2 4 6 divided by 2. At first the number is, the digit is what? 2. So we have to go through 2 multiplication table. 2 ones are what? 2. 2 minus 2 equals to what? 0. Bring down 4 tens, which is greater than, so 4 tens is greater than 2. Okay, so 2 2s are what? 4. Again 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Bring down 6 ones. So 2 multiplied by 3 equals to what? 6. 6 minus 6 equal to what? Again 0. So we can write therefore 2 4 6 divided by 2 equal to 1 2 3. Next is question number C. C is 8 4 8 divided by 4. Okay, so what we have to do? First of all we have to arrange this one. So we have to go through which table? We have to go through a 4 multiplication table. So here the digit is 8, which is greater than 4. So we can write here 4 2s are what? 8. 8 minus 8 equals to what? 0. So bring down 4 tens. Okay, so 4 is equals to what? 4. So we can write here 1. 4 ones are what? 4. Again we can subtract. We have to subtract. So 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Now bring down 8 ones. Okay, so we have to follow which table? 4 multiplication table. So we can write here 4 2s are 8. So again we can write, we have to subtract. So 8 minus 8 equals to what? 0. So therefore the answer for this question is 2 1 2. So we can write therefore 8 4 8 divided by 4 equals to 2 1 2. Question number D. 3 9 9 divided by what? Divided by 3. So here you can see the 100 place is equals to the divisor, and tens place and ones place are greater than the divisor. So 3 ones are what? 3. 3 minus 3 equals to what? 0. Bring down 9 tens. So we have to follow multiplication table 3. 3 3s are 9. Again we can see we have to subtract. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. Again you bring down 9 ones here. 3 3s are what? Again 3 3s are 9. So again 9 minus 9 equals to what? 0. Therefore we can write 3 9 divided by 3 equals to 1 3 3. So the answer for this question is 1 3 3. Next is question number 3A. Okay, so 4 0 8 divided by what? Divided by 4. So to divide we have to arrange. So at first we have to divide the which place? 100 place. So 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Bring down 0 tens. So 4 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. So again we have to subtract. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. So bring down 8 ones. So 4 2s are what? 8. So 8 minus 8 equals to what? 0. We can write therefore 4 0 8 divided by 4 equals to 1 0 2. Next question number B. 208 divided by 2. Again you see 2, we have to divide this to 100 place by the divisor. So 2 ones are what? 2. If we subtract 2 from 2, we'll get what? 0. Bring down 0 tens. So 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. Again if we subtract 0 from 0, we'll get here what? 0. So next we bring down 8 ones. So 2 multiplied by 4 equals to what? 8. Now 8 minus 8 equals to what? 0. So we can write therefore 280. So here 280 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. Divided by 2 equals to what? 104. Question number C. 604 divided by 2. So first of all we are going to divide the 100 place. In 100 place the digit is what? 6. So 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 equal to what? 0. So bring down what? 0 tens. 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. Minus. Okay. So 0 minus 0 equals to what? 0. Bring down 4 ones. So 2 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 4. So 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. So therefore we can write 604 divided by 2 equals to 302. Now question number D. 505 divided by what? 5. So we have to divide which place? We have to divide the 100 place. So we can write 5 ones are what? 5. 5 minus 5 equals to what? 0. Bring down 0 tens. Again we have to what? 5 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. 0 minus 0 equals to what? 0. Then again you bring down 5 ones. So 5 ones are what? 5. So again 5 minus 5 equals to what? 0. So therefore we can write 505 divided by 5 equals to 101. Now question number 4a. 240 divided by what? 2. So we are going to write here 240, which will be divided by which number? By 2. So first of all we are going to divide the which place? 100 place, then tens place, then ones place. So 2 ones are what? 2. Now we have to subtract. If we subtract 2 from 2, what will get? 0. Now bring down 4 tens. Okay, so now we have to divide this 4 by which number? 2. Now 2 2s are what? 4. Again we have to subtract. So 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Now bring down 0 ones. 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. So now if we subtract 0 from 0, we will get what? We will get 0. So therefore we can write 240 divided by 2 equals to what? 120. Next is B. 480 divided by 2. So here we are going to write 480 as dividend and 2 as divisor. First of all we are going to divide 4 by which number? By 2. So we are going to write here what? 2. 2 2s are what? 4. 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Now bring down 8 tens. So we have to divide 8 by which number? By 2. So 2 fours are what? 8. So 8 minus 8 equals to what? 0. Now again bring down 0 ones. So 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. 0 minus 0 equals to what? 0. So therefore we can write 480 divided by 2 equals to 240. Now 960 divided by 3. Okay. So this is a 3-digit number. So you have to start from which place? 100 place. In 100 place the digit is what? 9. So 3 threes are what? 9. 9 minus 9 equals to what? 0. Bring down 6 tens. So 3 twos are what? 6. 6 minus 6 equals to what? 0. Bring down 0 ones. So 3 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. So 0 minus 0 equals to what? 0. So therefore we can write 960 divided by 3 equal to 320. Okay. Now next question is question number D. 4D. Okay. So 360 divided by what? By 3. So we are going to write here 360. This number will be divided by which number? By 3. Here we have to start from which place? 100 place. So in 100 place which digit is there? 3. We can write here 1. 3 ones are what? 3. 3 minus 3 equals to what? 0. Bring down 6 tens. So we can write here 3 twos are what? 6. Again 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Now bring down 0 ones. 3 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. 0 minus 0 equals to what? 0. So therefore we can write 360 divided by 3 equals to 120. Now question number 5. Okay. So 400 divided by 2. Okay. So to divide this one we have to write in the form of division. This is a 3-digit number, so we are going to start from which place? 100 place. And which digit is there in the 100? Is here in the 100 place, that is 4. So 2 multiplied by 2. 2 twos are what? 4. 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Bring down 0 tens. 2 multiplied by 0 equal to what? 0. So if we subtract 0 from 0, we will get what? 0. Again we have to bring down 0. 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. 0 minus 0 equals to what? 0. Now we can write therefore 400 divided by 2 equals to what? 200. Next question number B. So what is question number B? Question number B is 600 divided by 2. This is also a 3-digit number, so we have to start from the 100 place. So 2 multiplied by 3 equals to what? 6. 6 minus 6 equals to what? 0. So bring down 0 tens. 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. Again if you subtract we will get what? 0 from 0 equals to what? 0. Now again bring down 0 ones. 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. So again we will get what? 0. So therefore we can write 600 divided by 2 equal to 300. Now we have to divide 800 by which number? By 2. So at first we have to start from which place? 100 place. So in 100 place which digit is there? 8. So 2 4s are what? 8. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. Bring down 0 tens. 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. Again if we subtract 0 from 0 we'll get what? 0. Now bring down 0 ones. We'll get here what? 0. So 2 multiplied by 0 equals to what? 0. So after subtracting 0 from 0 we'll get 0. So therefore we can write 800 divided by 2 equals to what? 400. So next question. Question number D is 600 divided by 3. So this is also a 3-digit number. So we have to start from the 100 place 6. That is in 100 place the digit is 6. 3 2s are what? 6. 6 minus 6 equals to what? 0. Bring down 0 tens. 3 into 0 equals to what? 0. Again 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Bring down 0 ones. Okay. So now you have to divide 0 once by the divisor, that is 3. Again we have to write here 0. So if we subtract 0 from 0 we'll get what? 0. So therefore the answer is what? 600. Dividend is what? 600 divided by what? Which number? 3 equal to what? 200. So this is the end of this exercise. Okay. So in our next class we shall finish exercise 8D and exercise 8E. So in this chapter number 80, you will find from question number 6 onwards, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So on the left side it has been written that more sums for practice. So these are the questions which you are to do, you have to do from your side. So if you face any problem, if you have any kind of queries, then you may call me at night from 8 PM to 10 PM. Thanks to all.